Audi SQ5 happens to be a sleeper, as well as the latest generation model, which had been just unveiled with the 2017 Detroit Auto Show, isn't any different. Like the brand new 2018 Audi Q5, it's according to the brand new 2018 SQ5 is both lighter and much more powerful than before. It also boasts the many latest safety and infotainment technology, which includes made the A4 sedan a standout. Under the hood is Audi's 3.0-litre 354 horsepower turbocharged V6, given to the S4 sedan, which replaces that old supercharged V6. The all-new engine creates a hearty 369 pounds-to-feet of torque that's available as soon as 1,370 revolutions per minute. Gear changes come due to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Audi claims the SQ5 will sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. All-wheel drive is standard about the SQ5. As with the revolutionary A4 and S4, a revised suspension design and lighter weight materials have been proved to improve its handling and ride. The base SQ5 is included with Audi's adaptive sport suspension, but choose S Sport package so you get a new adaptive S suspension that will lower the ride height by 1.2 inches. Consistent with recent S models, the SQ5 wears the normal package of sportier design cues. A darkened front grille, aluminum side mirrors, more pronounced rear roof spoiler, and LED lighting complement larger wheel arches for just a more aggressive and hunkered-down look. Inside, there's a 3-spoke multifunction tire, Audi's lovely virtual cockpit, sporty bucket seats, and available diamond stitch pattern leather. All of Audi's other goodies, like 4G LTE connectivity with Google Maps, driver assistance systems, and redesigned center stack, all function with the brand's well-sorted MMI controller. Judging because of the success on the last-gen Q5 and SQ5, expect Audi to perform very well using this type of new lineup that may now go head-to-head with all the Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 and BMW X4 and 40i. Pricing will probably be available better launch this spring, nevertheless it should ring in around $55,000 by last year's sticker.